Hey, if you don't believe me how much your spine affects your overhead mobility, check this out. If you want to just do straight up overhead mobility, I want to be able to lift my arms up overhead, right? I have to be able to extend the spine. If I'm in this rounded position, what I want you to do is round out, then see how high you can get. It's going to show you directly how much you need your spine to be able to put the shoulder in the right position to be able to get up overhead. Now, here's a simple exercise that you can do to help improve your mobility with the dowel or a broomstick.